degrees now. But I'm heading over to Newquay at the minute. I've had orders. The grandson wants to see me. So I've got some video of when the grandchildren went away the other day, and they wanted me to add it to one of my videos. So that will appear at the end. So the grandchildren will star at the end of this little test video. So this is a new road. It has been open a few months through the New King Charles type estate here in Newquay. It's frightening the speed it's going up. It does look quite nice here though. But wave.
Gonna wave to Grandad.
You'll be on telly, waving. You're not gonna wave?
Get on. Oh.
Hi.
Bye bye. See you later.
Hi.
Have fun. Say hello to your sisters for me.
Get in your seat.